Trello project management tutorial for complete beginners. Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about Trello and how you can leverage from this amazing project management tool. So Trello is this user-friendly project management tool that utilizes boards, lists, and cards to help you organize your tasks visually. It's really great of a collaborative work providing really clear overview of what a project's progress is at, especially if you're someone who's a visual learner and really likes to organize and scheme and keep everything under one place. Trello is your go-to. So grab your stuff and let's get into this video. So first thing first is for you to set up your Trello account. Head over to Trello's website and hit that sign up button. So I think I have already signed up into mine. So after signing up, they're going to just ask you the basic details for sign up, like your email, your password, your credentials. You can do that, or you can simply log in with your Google or Apple account. And once you've done that, this is how your first landing page is going to look like, and you're going to click on build your first board. You can name your board basically anything. Now think of this board as like your study command center. I can name mine as my radiology project, and I will hit next. Now inside this board is what we're going to do is we're going to set up the battlefield with our lists. Things that are to do, things that are under progress, and things that you've completed. So let's start that. To do, under progress, and this is done. And I simply click on next. Now Trello is a project management tutorial by Atlassian. Atlassian offers other project management tutorial, but Trello is by far my favorite. And the next thing once you're doing it is adding in cards. So cards are like the things that you understand here. Cards are like your secret weapon. Each card can represent, maybe a study session or a research topic or any of those lists, because as of now it's a radiology project, right? So this could be a research topic that we're planning together. Let's just say project planning. The second card name could be kickoff meeting. So while they're like your task generals that you categorize everything into, you can drag and drop these cards as your battles into the project begin. So this first could be topic, ideas, brainstorming. Second could be setting out a mind map. These are like the two cards we've added, and let's click on next. And then one amazing thing you can do is you can also invite your team members to work and collaborate with you. I'll just add one here. You can add and ask for as many as team members that you'd like, and then let's go. If you don't want to do any of this as of now, you can just simply click on next, and you can just skip that offer. Now Trello, you can try Trello Premium free for 30 days, or you can just skip this offer and we can just go over with the free one. We can just try it for free. Otherwise, Trello Premium offers us a 30-day trial to start off with it. Let's go over to our boards. This is how the workspace and this is how our dashboard looks like. This is the first ever one, the one that we already worked on as our radiology project. Onto the top right hand side is our account. You can switch your accounts, check in your login activity, profile and visibility, settings, theme. You can change up the theme to anything. It could be matching your browser. You could have a dark or lighter theme. I'm really digging the dark one, so let's just select it to that one. So you see, it's really a good user-friendly and really personalized usage of Trello. I absolutely love how visually pleasing the interface is. Now here onto this area is the information where you can look into your information. This is your notifications. Now, this is your Trello workspace that we were already in. At your home is where you're going to look into all the workspaces that you have. The only one we've created is a radiology project. You can create another board by simply clicking on add here by adding in another board. Now back to the rest is here is where the number of members that I'm working with. As of it's now, it's none, but its collaborative features is really amazing because working on something together becomes a grand symphony when you have this really collaborative effort. So you can simply, by clicking on invite workspace members, and so they can join your Trello board and discuss a particular card together. They can drop in, insightful comments or use the add mention feature to bring your, stuff and ideas into life. So Trello really transforms any sort of collaborative session into an intellectual feast where ideas can flow freely We can invite someone by entering up their email address, or in case you have their Trello account logged, then you can add that in. But you can also create a link and simply copy that link to your clipboard and paste it and send it to them via anywhere that you want them to see it. It could be through direct messaging, through a WhatsApp chat, or through a quick Instagram DM, anywhere actually. Now, this workspace is private, and apart from the workspace, you can set that into public as well, or invite only. Now, where you work that up is into workspace settings. You simply click on workspace settings right here, and here you can simply select and change the settings of your workspace. As of now, the private one is the one where your workspace is private. You can change that and quickly make it to public so anyone really can join it. Anybody who searches about your workspace into the search engines like Google or Bing, they can simply join it and look into it. But we'll keep it private because you don't want any and everybody to be working on it. Now, these are Slack workspaces linking, which is amazing integration where you can integrate Slack with Trello, which is an amazing combination, almost like, peanut butter and jelly on a sandwich. So you can click on add to Slack, and you can simply integrate your Slack account with your Trello workspace. Now, another things right here are certain things which are more settings which are available onto the premium subscription plan, such as sharing your boards with the guests, board deletion restrictions, so no member can, have the access to deleting or changing certain boards or whatnot, but that's not available for the free plan. Now, that being said, let's talk about the tables and the calendar view. Let's move on to table and calendars now. Now, the tables and calendars are like the advanced dimensions of Trello. The power-ups are like these enchanted artifacts that enhance your Trello realm. You can activate features like the table and the calendar here to seamlessly schedule study sessions or your project sessions. So to meet your butler, your magical assistant, you can establish rules to automate repetitive tasks, envision card moving to complete it as you conquer each checklist item. Let's just say you checklist on certain board, and you can have the automations take care of it and move that specific card to another board of done and completed. So your Trello realm just ascended to a new level of efficiency. Now here, what you can do is you can create a table by simply clicking on create a board, start with a template, or you can start working with a workspace as well. And onto the calendar view, the same way you can have an idea of, let's just say on Saturday, you have a specific task, and it basically shows up right here. Now, moving on to our board that we've created. It's this radiology project board with really basic cards and list. It's just a to-do one. I can, easily drag and drop it and place it anywhere around the board, and I can put in, let's just say I'm working on this specific task. I can add in a description, and I can add in images, I can add in links, I can assign it to a specific member, I can add in a checklist. Let's just simply add in this checklist in this one, and I can also add in different covers, attachment, custom fields, power-ups by clicking on power-ups. You can also add in automations by adding on add button. I can, have actions to move, copy, make a template, and or even archive a specific board. All of that's simple and easy, and all of that's under my control. And there is an option to add in power-ups here, automations, and there's filters where you can filter up your cards that are specifically assigned to you, to other members, the cards that are overdue, due in the next week, or you can also customize the views that you're viewing your project into. This one's for board. You can simply start and view them into table, calendar, timeline, dashboard, even maps. But this feature is really restricted for the free one, and it's available into Trello Premium. Once again, Trello Premium offers you a 30 days free trial, and after that, if you like it, you can just go ahead and pay and subscribe for it. Now, onto the other place right here, onto the top left hand side. This is your workspaces. Your different workspaces will show up here, your current one and your other ones. Then it's the recent boards or workspaces you've been into. The starred ones are like the most important ones. Let's just say you're working on multiple different projects and multiple different boards, so your starred one is the one that's going to be up here, like on top, as in your priority. These are templates, various different templates that you can work on with. This is the Kanban view. These are remote team meetings, teaching, meaning the weekly planning. If you're a teacher or professor, go to marketing strategy template, the Kanban template, agile board template, one-on-one meeting agenda, company overview, and so much more. Now, another thing, guys, you can easily, customize the background and settings of your board the same way we customize and change our Trello app into a darker mode, because that's what we prefer. You can change the background the same way. You can add in photos. It can be of any photo on the stock market. It can be this one. It can be this. I really dig this planet here. I also dig this one. It goes very well. Let's just leave it with this one. Or you can simply change in and add in colors. It could be this, or even this. Let's go with this one as of now. An amazing option is you can also custom add in your own photos from your hard drive and add in anything that you like, basically. So guys, this is it for this video. You guys have learned about the Trello boards, lists, cards, customizing, collaboration options, and the enchanting powers of your automation and power-ups. Remember, your Trello realm is not just a project management tool, it's a manifestation of your academic success or company success. So go forth and explore and let the knowledge flourish. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.